You're holding TTD. Oh, that's Trade Desk. Now, Trade Desk was a monster for a while. It went from, I think, 600 up to like 800, and I thought this thing just goes up, and that's all it does, and then it fell off the face of the earth. This chart looks awesome. So you're holding $570. Oh, so you're going in the money. They're expiring. Yeah, this is perfect. And comment on profit taking tomorrow morning or holding till next week. Okay, perfect. I thought you were going to have an issue. I love when you guys pick your own stocks and profitable. So I love this stock. TTT, it fell off the face of the earth. You know what? I should add it to my watch list because this chart looks great. Even when there's no demand, which there hasn't been since it fell off the face of the earth, even on days where there's outflow is greater than inflow, this stock goes up. The chart looks like this. It looks like a perfect chart. TTD. So anybody, I would hold on to it. You're up 100%. No, the chart looks fantastic. I would totally hold TTD options through at least a couple more days. I mean, but again, remember this. You can sell the option. If you see the stock going down and you're up 100%, you can sell the option and be up 150%. Put in your position 150. If it sells and executes and it drops back down to where you're only up 100%, if you still own the option, you could buy it again. Own the same position. You get what I'm saying? Own the same position. Sell at the peak, buy at the dip. Next question. You're doing great. Can I explain the squeeze with AMC and Gamestop? There is no squeeze going on with either stock. It is people, retail investors, 30 million of you, 50 million of you that are buying shares, and it's going up. It's supply and demand. If there's only 1 million shares or 10 million shares out there and somebody wants 3 million of them, they're willing to pay a certain amount. They pay up to $16. They pay up to $18. They pay up to $20. They pay up to $29. If everybody's buying at the same time, it forces the price up. I mentioned that before. Supply and demand forces it up. People are willing to pay more. That's why you take profit. When I gave my alert today on AMC at $29 and change, 56, 29, 56, I said, get the hell out, run for cover. I saw it one time to 26. You guys might explode it after hours. It's no saying. The Reddit guys, you could push AMC to 50. But my movie theater was closed. Can I explain what happened with GameStop? So GameStop seems to have real valuation now. Again, it's the same thing. If people decide in one day they all want to buy GameStop, it'll go up 10%, 20%, 50%. Who knows? The point is, as soon as people start selling it, okay? And now when GameStop had that run, right? I bought it $300 and sold it $400 3 different times. I made $30,000 on GameStop. $300 for each time. I got so nervous. I was like, I can't believe I'm buying GameStop at $300, and then I sold it at $400. I didn't even sell max value. Max value was like $474 or something. All right, next question. So yeah, there's no squeeze going on. A squeeze is when somebody oversells a stock. It's when shorts get interested, and then people buy call options, and then they execute their call options. You have to be extremely sophisticated, have a whole team together to squeeze, or just have news outlets. If AMC could have done it at one point, if everybody executed their call options, which they don't.